In this video, you will learn about the features of DocMerge and its seamless integration with the Documents Template module in Sugar. First, let's define what DocMerge is. DocMerge is an interactive tool streamlining document creation by merging Sugar data into templates. DocMerge allows users to create professional quality documents using data from Sugar records, including contracts, quotes, NDA agreements, form letters, and labels. Providing an uncomplicated solution eliminates the need for repetitive and time-consuming data input while drafting documents. The first step is to create your document template using the Template Assistant tool. To access the Template Assistant, navigate to the top of the DocMerge widget. Once the Template Assistant window is open, leaving it open alongside the document template in its original editing environment is recommended. We are going to use Template Assistant to create a shipping label template by copying fields. The Fields tab of the Template Assistant allows you to copy the merge codes for Sugar module fields to your system clipboard, including custom fields. Then you can simply paste them into a docx, XLSX, or PPTX file in order to create your document template. First, you navigate to the Fields tab in the Template Assistant. Then, select a module from the drop-down list. The fields in the selected module display as a list with the associated field merge code. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to locate the desired field. You must click the field name to copy the field merge code to your system clipboard. Then, paste the field in the desired location to your document template file. You shall repeat these steps for all desired fields. You can configure how field values will populate the merged document by clicking Settings options before you copy the field merge code. You can choose to capitalize. When selected, the first letter of the value will be capitalized. Please note that only the first word will be capitalized for multi-word values. You can change the case to all uppercase or all lowercase, and the padding, which is the number of spaces to add after the value when placed inside a table cell in the template. You can check the barcode box to include a scannable barcode in the document template. For the date and time fields, you can select a standard date format or choose the custom date option if you need to identify a custom date format. Click the help link to display a page with information on acceptable date formats. After setting the desired options, click Copy to Clipboard and paste the code from your clipboard into the desired location in your document template file. Then return to the Template Assistant and click the back button to return to your previous location, in our case to the list fields. When you finish creating your file, make sure you save the template on your desktop. The next step of your DocMerge process is to access the Document Templates list view by clicking the Document Templates module tab in the navigation bar. Please note that the Document Templates module is hidden by default, so if you do not see the Document Templates module, check your user profile and go to the Layout options in the Advanced tab, or ask your administrator to unhide the module using the navigation bar and subpanels on the admin homepage. Access the Document Templates list view by clicking the Document Templates module tab in the navigation bar. Click Create Document Template and fill in all the necessary fields. In the Name field, you can assign a suitable name to your template. Establishing a consistent naming convention within your organization is crucial, so every user can quickly locate the required template, regardless of the department. The template is the name of the source template file. Here, you add the template file you have previously created. Click the Browse button to locate the file on your computer, then click the Open button. Template module refers to the module to which the template is associated. Please note that the template is only available when merging documents from the selected module. Use Revisions is an option that, when enabled, adds each occurrence of a record being merged with this template to the Document Revisions subpanel in the record. When you finish adding all the necessary information, click the Save button. The final step is utilizing DocMerge to produce new documents by retrieving data from Sugar. You can either merge individual records or multiple records simultaneously into one document. It is possible to merge individual records with a document template from 3 distinct areas: the record view, the list view, or a subpanel's actions menu. To merge a document from the record view, you must first choose the relevant module for the record. Once you have selected the module, click on the record you want to merge. This will open it in Record View. You will see the Actions button on the right side of the screen. Click on this button and select Doc Merge option from the drop-down list. If you want to merge multiple records with the same template, first, you must select all the records to merge in the list view. Then go to the Mass Actions menu and select Doc Merge or Doc Merge to PDF. Select a document template in the Search and Select drawer or click the Create button to create a new template. The merge process begins immediately. The status of the merge is displayed in the Doc Merge widget. A confirmation message will appear when complete, and the merge document will be added to the document list in the Doc Merge widget. After merging records with a document template, you can access the merged documents using one of the following methods. Click the Document Ready link in the Doc Merge widget to open the documents record in the Documents module. If you initiated the merge from Record View, you could access the document from that record's Documents subpanel. Navigate directly to the Documents module to locate the merged document. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.